Hello. Today, I'll be showing you how to add an employee to the HR system. Let's start by navigating to the Add Employee section. You'll see several fields, all of which are optional. I'll go ahead and enter the employee's name, say, David. Once I've selected the name, I can leave all other fields blank if I choose. These fields include department, branch, date of joining, report details, and WhatsApp numbers. They're all optional, and we'll cover these details in future videos. Once I hit save, the name is stored. Now, if you want to search for David, you can search for any person, department, or complete details. This is David, and after adding them, I can set up a schedule. Let me explain how to create a schedule. We have two types of scheduling systems. We have a fixed schedule system and a variable schedule system. The fixed schedule relies on days. By selecting the schedule icon, I can add a new day. Once I add a day, I can specify the details for that day, including working hours. This includes clock-in and clock-out times, as well as absences. Salary information, wages, and everything related are available here. Next, I can copy this day's schedule and apply it to other days. For days with no work, like Saturdays and Sundays, I can simply delete those days to mark them as weekends. Once I save, it means I've saved this schedule for the employee. If I search for this person again, I'll see the schedule has been set. Multiple employees can use the same schedule. I can store the schedule and save it. I'll click the plus sign, enter the schedule name, like daily work. Once I save this schedule, you'll see it stored and we can return to it anytime. I can directly select the daily work schedule. This setup can be applied to multiple employees. If I have a group of employees to assign the daily work schedule, I simply select them and choose the schedule. Assign the schedule to the employees. After selecting the daily work model I need, I save it. The schedule is now applied to all selected employees. This provides flexibility and ease in assigning multiple schedules to different employees. These details are part of the scheduling setup in Employee Edition. After setting up the schedule, I can return to the same employee and add a photo. There are two ways to do this. The first is by editing the employee profile and directly uploading a photo from the computer. For example, here's a photo of the employee. I save it, and now this photo is part of the system. While it's in the system, it hasn't been sent to the fingerprint device yet. When you view the photo, you can send it to the fingerprint device. After assigning devices for the employee, select all available devices and save. Once devices are assigned, I can send the photo to all selected devices immediately. This way, the employee's information, including the photo, is directly updated on the device. That's one method. The second method. If I want to take the employee's photo, I can use the face enrollment icon. By clicking on enrollment, it will prompt me to select the device. If there are multiple fingerprint devices, I select one. The employee stands in front of the device, and I capture their face. The photo is immediately saved in the system, and the details are updated on the device. This method allows for remote enrollment of any employee. This covers the method for adding a static shift. For Dynamic Shift Edition, there are other details and advanced features which we'll cover in another video.